we're at the peak of the operation here. And now we're going back, we put everything back together and off we go. But yeah, these are literally like half. This new SSD is literally half of the weight. It's unreal. I finally got the memory, the DDR3 RAM out. So I took that out. The only bad thing about this computer is if you want to put more RAM in it, you literally have to take the motherboard off and flip it over. And because the RAM is on the other side, so it is expandable, but I think 8 gigs of RAM is plenty for what I need to do. This is the CD drive, the subwoofer. Yes, there's a woofer in this computer. This computer has the best computer speakers I have ever heard. This is the wireless card. Excellent wireless card. I've never had any problems with the internet connections. It's excellent. Alright, so now we're going to put everything back together.